Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. If you're new to my channel, my name is Melanie and I do a variety of videos including food hauls, TK Maxx, Superdrug, B&M, Boots hauls. I also do unboxings of beauty boxes, watches, makeup, and I also do sauce box. So this box is either the July sauce box or the July mystery box 6. I don't know which one it is because I have both of them and they both arrived on the same day. So whatever's in it is going to be a surprise to me. So I've not looked in it yet. So it is the July box. So that's what I can see upon opening it. It's looking quite good and I can only see 3 items. So we'll go with this one first. This is the Neats handcrafted rice crackers in sea salt. Sea salt rice crackers by Neats. These sea salt crackers are perfect for those who prefer savoury to sweet, although we like to top them with peanut butter, which you can conveniently find in your box too. Looking forward to trying them. It's my type of snack. The next item is Emily Veg Crisp Sweet Potato Sticks seasoned with chilli and lime. Chilli and lime sweet potato sticks, Emily Crisps. These crunchy sensations are seasoned to perfection, bringing out the best flavours of nourishing sweet potato. I like the fruit ones they do. The apple ones are the best ones I've tried. So I love sweet potato, so I'm looking forward to trying these. Real Handful Strawberry Stomp. I'm sure we had a Real Handful bar last month, which I really liked. Strawberry Stomp Mix, Real Handful. This mix is jam-packed with fruit, nut and seed goodness for a trail mix that's bursting with flavours and natural goodness. Sounds really nice. Looking forward to trying that. Raw Granola Munchies, Lemon and Chia. Lemon and Chia Munchies, Raw Gorilla. Brand new look and recipe for one of our favourite snacks. These munchies are now activated with cold pressed to maximise the nutrients inside. Really like the packaging, that's so cute. And actually you can see what's inside. I've seen these and I've wanted to try them, so I'm really happy this is in here. Pip and Nut Peanut Butter Squeeze Pack. Peanut Butter Sachet Pip and Nut. These perfectly positioned squeeze packs are ideal for natural energy boost on the go, whether you're on a run or rushing between meetings. Now I have really wanted to try this, so really happy about that. Veryville Crunchy Blueberry and Apple Granola Veryville. Crunchy clusters of oat and barley combined with blueberries and dried apple are hand mixed for every batch in the beautiful Austrian Tyrol. It's quite a small packet. If I had this, I'd probably put loads of other fruit with it, but that looks nice. Wild Trail Apple Fruit and Nut Bar. I'm sure I've had something like this before. Apple Bar, Wild Trail. Inspired by Snowdonia and made in Wales, this super tasty bar has just 5 simple ingredients. I like bars like this where there's only a few ingredients. Peanuts, raisins, dried apple, gluten-free oats and apple juice. Aduna Choc Orange Burst. I'm not the biggest chocolate orange fan. Choc Orange Burst Bar, Aduna. Packed with skin-loving antioxidants and mood-boosting endorphins, this is the super indulgent, tasty energy bar. I'll obviously try it, but chocolate orange is not very appealing to me. The last food item, raw and wild activated pili nuts. Turmeric and ginger pili nuts, raw and wild. These creamy pili nuts are activated before being coated with a sprinkling of fiery ginger and turmeric. Dash water, British sparkling spring water infused with squashed raspberries. Raspberry sparkling water, Dash water. This sparkling water is infused with wonky raspberries that would otherwise go to waste. Pop it in the fridge for a perfect summer drink. I don't like raspberries, so I'm potentially not gonna like or enjoy this drink, which is a shame. So that's everything that's in the July edition of Saucebox. I'm looking forward to the chili and lime sweet potato sticks by Emily Crisps, the apple bar by Wild Trail, the blueberry and apple granola, the peanut butter sachet, the sea salt rice crackers, and the strawberry stomp mix. The thing, or the 2 items that I'm definitely not looking forward to, is the raspberry water, just because I don't like raspberry at all, and the chocolate orange bar because I don't like chocolate and orange. But I will do a matching blog post on my blog, which is always linked down below. So I'll do a post about every item in the box, and then in around 2 weeks I will do another post telling you what I thought of every individual item. So if you want more information, then click on my blog, which will be linked in the description like always. If you have any questions, please leave them down below, and if you're new to my channel, please subscribe and click the bell notification button so you're alerted every time I upload a new video. And I'll be back with another unboxing of Saucebox very soon, because I'm going to unbox the mystery box as well. Thank you for watching, everyone.